Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I hope that you would be fine and must have subscribed our YouTube channel. This video is going to be a simple tutorial in which I would be telling you all about the complete procedure of downloading the video from Facebook. To download the video from Facebook, I would be telling you the website through which you will be able to download the all quality frame rates of videos. So let's begin. For the first of all, you have to go to your Facebook account or the Facebook, it could be your newsfeed or anything, and you have to just scroll down below to your videos. For example, this is our Facebook page Arcubyte. So let's suppose you have to, after clicking on this video, you have to find the link. For suppose there is also a link, you can also copy this link by, or you can double click on this URL and then click on the right click button and you have to just copy it. After copying the video URL link, or there is another method through which you can copy the URL of the same video. Here it is. So through this option you can also copy the Facebook video link. So you can also click on this link. It's optional. Both procedures are correct to copy the URL of the video. So since we have copied the URL of the video, now you have to go to the website fbdownloader.net and then press enter. So you would be having such a kind of website template. You can see here is the title FB downloader and Facebook free video downloader. So Facebook downloader is a fast and a free way to download and save Facebook videos as MP4s. Start by putting the Facebook video URL in the box below and click go. What you have to do is to just click here. Don't be confused if invalid links open. You have to first again went back to the website, and then here you have to paste the copied link. It is the same link that you had copied from here. For example, if I copy from here, you may paste it here, and then after this you may click go. So as you can see here, our video is proceeding and it's is the result. So here are two qualities: SD quality. Here is the second quality, which is download HD quality, so which is of about 720 pixels. So here are both options. What you have to do is to click any of the quality which you want according to your requirements. For example, I am willing to download the HD quality, so you have to just click the HD. So after just clicking this, your file would be downloaded. So I hope that you would have enjoyed this small tutorial, and must subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. Thank you very much.